Check out the 2017 Cruze. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.4-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, power brakes, inside you'll find cruise control, child safety locks, power windows, power steering, cargo area light, trip odometer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.